I play guitar and sing at jam nights regularly. I'm quite a late developer at it, but it's become now I'm ready to start playing in a band. I wanted to have a van, a small van, to move band gear about. So that's the way I intended to do it. So I was looking at small vans initially, and then I got the idea of, if I'm going to have a van, why not make it into a camper van? And that was my initial idea. I've been looking for vans, there were different ones coming up. I was considering travelling up to County Durham to look at one. Then one came up at somewhere near Mk8. I'd been looking on Marketplace as well as eBay, and I was looking at it. As soon as I got the money paid into my account, a van came up at Staveley, which is literally about 3 miles away from where I live. I've been looking for a Transit. I wanted a long wheelbase, but I wanted a high roof one as well. And this one was a high roof and a long wheelbase, so it was absolutely perfect. I want to put a Murphy bed in it, a shower. I'd like to run a motorbike up into the back of it, electric motorbike, and be able to carry it to a holiday destination and then use the bike when I get there. So that's one of the things I want to put into the van, is some method of storing the bike sort of down the middle of the van. I'm just going to have seated at one side, a lounge seat at one side, and quite a big dinette. And that's my loose plan to start with. So here goes. Get. So I've got my first trip Arctic van. I've got a nip up to Thurgoland, which is about 15 miles away, to pick up a twin seat unit. Hopefully it'll be alright. Okay, so I've got my twin swivel seat fitted. I've got this Transit Mk8 to fit, facing it when this is spun around to fit in. And also, I want to try and fit this weekend. Like for the dining table. It needs to go roughly here, but not interfere with the door, so I'm looking at placing it about here. Finally, after a full day messing around with bad drill bits, drilling 2 holes too big, I finally got 2 rib nuts in. Well, I've learned some valuable lessons about rib nuts today. Some harsh lessons, but some good ones as well. But regardless of that, this don't stand upright very well at all with one bracket. I'm going to have to add a second bracket too. So it's in position at least, but I need to make something up. It's not good enough as it is. So more to come.